Hello guys, welcome back to Design with Sairaj on this YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you how to restore all the tools and the commands when it gets hide in Catia V5 software. It's very easy guys, just watch the video till the end. Let's start. After opening part designing in Catia V5 software, you will see this interface. I am pulling out some toolbox. First, it is very important to understand why toolbox get hide, so this mistake will not happen again. Okay, so I have pulled out some toolbox outside. Now, so when you double click on any toolbox, it goes to its original position. You can see it. Let's try again. When you double tap on any toolbox, it goes to its original position. You can see it. But when you click on close arrow, it gets hide. You getting? When you click on close arrow, when you click on close symbol, it gets hide. The toolbox gets hide and you can't see it on anywhere on the screen. So how to restore all that toolbox? It is a question. Now, to restore all the commands and the toolbox, just go to the tool section and click on customize. You will see this box. Now go to toolbars section, click on restore all content, click on OK, click on restore positions, click on OK. You can see all the toolbox and the commands are back again. If you find it useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Keep supporting.